Uline's portable stack racks give you flexibility to easily add and move storage as needed. Use anywhere from warehouses to construction sites to handle inventory fluctuations or items that are difficult to store on standard pallets. When no longer needed, they can be quickly disassembled and condensed for storage. These versatile racks are built with durable 10-gauge powder-coated steel. Each rack includes one base and 4 posts and are easy to assemble. Posts slide firmly into place, no tools needed. Portable stack racks have a heavy-duty 4,000-pound capacity and can be stacked up to 6 racks high for an overall weight capacity of up to 24,000 pounds. Units have 4-way access and are easily transported individually by forklift, even when fully loaded. Whatever your material handling needs are, you can rely on Uline to have the solution.